I am up 21.27% on my account this year so far. And I want to tell you how you can trade with me and learn my 98% win strategy. Now, I don't sell any courses or any of that crap. I don't believe in it. Everything I do is basically free. All the information I give out is free. But I do a lot of one-on-one work, and I will tell you exactly how it works. And it's all performance-based, so there's no monthly fee or anything of that sort. It's all performance-based. So currently, like I said, I'm up 21.27%. You can see over here, and the S&P is up about 8.74 so far this year to date. I have 10 out of 10 winners, and each and every month was a winner here. So not too bad. The last position that I closed was a soybean short strangle, 70 days to expiration. I closed in 7 days for 25 days for 25% of expiration. It was a pretty good trade. Was as planned. We got some good volatility, and we ended up profitable this year. So, and this is basically the only trade I've done this month so far in July. And it's usually the case. You can see there's one trade here, one trade there, 2 trades in April, no trades in March at all. So I'm really kind of patient with my approach, and I kind of go and collect the low-hanging fruit usually. So why would you want to trade with me or trade with me? And this is because you will learn the trade selection based on seasonality and market conditions, which is not as simple to figure out with futures options specifically, and even more specifically commodities. I have some advanced techniques to protect positions. We do have stop losses, and for example, if the position is getting to down 50%, we have to do something. We have to close the position. We have to roll the position. We might buy or sell the future contract itself to basically eliminate the risk to one side. So it depends on the situation. It's not as black and white as one might think, as I would hope, but that's trading for you. Another thing that you will learn is probably proper risk management. Position sizing is very important. If you have poor position sizing, if it's too big to begin with, there's no way to protect your position if it goes bad against you. But you can protect any small position to begin with. Now, learning through experience and personal guidance is probably the best thing that can be done. This is how I learned most of what I know. I was kind of like shadowing a 70-year-old trader, and he was selling options mostly on stocks, but also on some commodities. And from there, you can understand exactly how you need to approach this business to be profitable long term. And obviously, I do a lot of one-on-one work. So it means that if you are to trade with me, I don't work with many people. I just can't. I don't have the time, right? So I really only work with a very small group of people that really want to learn this business. So if it's something you're interested in, just email me with my email address below, and we can talk about it. Now, like I said, there's no upfront cost for it. This is performance based only, so it makes it as fair as it gets, and I have every incentive to do a good job. So what does it mean, performance based? It's very, very simple. If we have a good month, then obviously everyone receives their cut. And if there's no profit, then there's no cost whatsoever for anyone really, right? So I think that's fair this way, and it incentivizes me to do a really good job, because if I don't, then it was, I guess, a risk on my side, and then I make nothing out of it, right? But at the same time, I want to build my name. This is why I do it this way. I think it's fair, and it's fair to everyone, to me, to kind of keep myself on my toes, and also to you, to make sure you get all the value you're supposed to get. And this is how it's done. It's all done through my private Discord. And again, any questions, just email me below. We can talk about it. I'm a pretty transparent guy, and you'll be also able to access my Discord. And you can see I post my broker statements, trade ideas, a bunch of stuff over here. So you'll be able to see exactly what's going on, all my trades, so on and so forth. So again, if you are interested, let me know. Email me with my email address below, and we can talk about it. Hopefully make something great happen. And it's been pretty good so far. Since the beginning of the year, I've been working with quite a few people, and they're learning. And obviously, I'm happy to provide value and just talk about options and trading all day long, which is really what I like to do. So again, thank you so much for watching, and let's keep in touch, and I'll catch you in the next one.